Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a secret method to get free gems and passes in the Episode app. Now, we'll be using an app called Episode Plus Plus to do this. It's a crazy modded version, and it's just awesome. So I'm going to open it and show you what I'm talking about. So when you go over here, you can go ahead and get free currency. So you can see in the corner, we got the currency amounts. So you can see gems, and they're pretty expensive, all the different amounts. But guys, what can happen is you can press on any amount, and it's free. Now you can see there 60 is free, so all these are really free, so it's crazy. So I'm going to show you the free one here. You just press it, and as you can see, they're going up. So there go the gems. This is awesome. And I mean, guys, this is totally free. This is saving you a ton of money. So yeah, crazy stuff. You can see there they go all the way at the top. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this. Works on both iPhone and Android, so it does not matter what device you have. I'm not showing this on iPhone, but it does work on iPhone as well. So yeah, when you press on passes, you can also get those for free. So you just press the one that says free. I think actually most of these work, but I just go with the free one. And you can see that they are going up right now. So this is going to allow you to get a lot farther in the game and also just allow you to go ahead and save a ton of money. And who doesn't like to save money? So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So you can see the app, Episode Plus Plus. So when you open it, you'll get greeted with all the features that I just showed you guys. So yeah, this is just awesome. So remember to get it on your device, guys. You want to follow along with my guide. You want to go to the site apphat.co. The site has so many modded apps and games. It's crazy. Once you're here, all you have to do is go to the search bar and you just want to go ahead and type it in. So Episode. And I mean, this is awesome. You can see some of the apps they have on offer, like a Pokemon Plus Plus. But I'm just going to type Episode, and you can see there it is. And you get free gems and passes. So just go ahead, press on it, guys. And then press the button that says Start Installation. And this will show you a progress bar. You just want to wait until it reaches the end. Now, this will depend on internet connection. So if your internet's real slow, this could take a while. So just give it a minute to go ahead and finish, guys, as you can see. And once it says setting up final stage, it should be good to go. That's the final message you want. So I'm just going to give it a minute to go ahead and finish. You can see right now it says starting installation. So let's just let it finish, guys, right here, as you can see. So setting up final stage is the final message that you want. So there it is. And then once this is done, guys, it's going to bring you to a verification page. This is just to keep everything free. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps and complete instructions. Now, guys, these apps will never ask you to buy anything. But if you download 2 of these apps, you complete the instructions, and this does not work for you guys. What you need to do is just download more of them. Now, I know it can get boring, but that's the only way to do it. So press tap to install one of the apps, and I'll show you guys. Just showing you for Android, this is what it looks like when you press tap to install. It takes you to the Play Store. Now, when you're on iOS, it will take you over to the App Store, so it will look a bit different. But yeah, if this doesn't work, guys, just download more apps, but usually it works after downloading 2 of them. So it's crazy stuff, and I can't believe it actually works. I'm going to show you with one more app, tap to install. You can see it's taking me straight over to the store, and I just have to go ahead and download it. So super crazy stuff, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and share it with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. I mean, this is just awesome being able to do this completely for free, save a ton of money. I mean, who doesn't want that? It's just super, super crazy. So yeah, this is just so cool, guys. Definitely get the word out, and see you guys later, and peace out.